Hi, in this next video, what I'm going to do is show you how to take some simple data that you may have in Google Spreadsheet and give yourself a nice chart to give your data a little bit more pop, make it a little bit more visually appealing. So I'm going to take a look at this data that I have here. So I can see that for our adoptive family here at Buffalo Grove, we have collected $500 from freshmen, $300 from the sophomore class, $200 from the junior class, and $700 for the senior class. So it seems great, but what can we do to, again, add to that data to give it a little bit more visual appeal to those who may be looking at it? So one easy way to do, and again, this is good for simple data collection stuff that you're doing, is highlight all of that data. Then on the right side, all the way at the bottom, you're going to see this button right here. It's the Explore button. If I click on that, what it's going to do is give me two options for charts. It's going to give me a bar graph and a pie chart. I'll show you what you can do with both of them to, again, kind of edit those to be as you want them to. So, for example, if I wanted to add the bar graph here, I would simply go to here and go to Insert Chart. And now you can see that chart is inserted into my Google form. I can move it around here so you can see both the data as well as the pie chart. The bar graph. But from there, I can't exactly see how much money each person has given or each class has given. So how can I get that information there? Well, if I click on the chart itself, I'll see a little pull down button right here. Clicking on that and going to Advanced Edit, it will give me a whole bunch of different options that I can do in order to edit the chart and make it, again, more customizable to what I want it to be. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, this is one that I think people will be looking for the most, will be data labels. If I go from none to value, the exact value of what each class gave will then come up within the bar graph. So it gives it, again, a little bit more visual appeal. Then all I need to do is click on Update. And now that chart is now included in my actual spreadsheet, which is kind of nice. Now, if I don't like that chart, let's say I've done all this and I don't like this chart, all I need to do is go back up here and go to Delete Chart, and now that chart is gone. The basic premise of it will stay here on the right side, so you can always add it back and then customize it as you want. If you want more of a pie chart, something to add there, again, you go through the same process of adding, such as clicking on Insert Chart. And now you can see that, again, it's going to automatically default to percentage. So you can see that 29.4% of the money came from the freshman class. But what if I wanted to, again, put the actual value in there? What I could do here, again, is click on this little button and go to Advanced Edit. Once the Advanced Edit screen opens up, again, I can title it something different if I wanted to. The adoptive family title will not actually show up in the pie chart, so it will not read that top line as a title as it did for the bar graph. So that one you would have to add there, which is not a big deal. Now, if I scroll down, you can see I'm going to have a bunch of different options down here, which would be kind of nice. Number one, it'll give me features of 3D, so I can give it more of a 3D appeal. I can maximize it to make it very big. And then up here, you're going to see slice. So each slice is going to represent one particular thing. Now, if I want the main thing on there to be represented by the value of the money, not necessarily just the percentage amount, depending on what I'm trying to show people and things like that, then I would click on value. Then I click on Update. And now you can see that I have this chart here. The one issue with maximizing it is you don't get that nice key that you had on the side. So again, if you want that key that was on the side, that blue is freshmen, green is seniors. Again, we have to go back into Advanced Edit, have the screen opened up, and then take off Maximize, and then you'll get that key back on the side. Again, simply go into Update, and now I have my nice pie chart that I can move around and put where I want to. So that's a nice, easy way to add pie charts, bar graphs for, again, simple data that you're trying to use or collect on your spreadsheets. I hope this was a help. Thank you.